Guys, good morning. I have woke up and I'm having my breakfast, and this is the view of the breakfast table. So I'm waiting for my breakfast. I will take some breakfast and then I will show you. So this is kind of my breakfast for this morning in Orton Hall. And lots of people are taking their breakfast. There is another room for breakfast which is this way. Hi all, good morning. So this is a fresh morning in Orton Hotel. This is very famous for spa. Their spa service is very good. This is the backyard of the hotel. So my room is there at the top. That tower you can see behind me. So in that tower, my room is there. So I have spent the night here. So this is a small sitting arrangement for weddings and small parties, get together. Everything happens here in Orton Hall. So I'm now going towards the front. So beautiful greenery, full of greenery. If you live in this nature, you get fresh oxygen, loads of beautiful flowers. You'll be refreshed, you'll be rejuvenated, and ready to deal with again the mundane daily stressful work. The forest area is so beautiful. So I'm going to go that way. That is the front way. I will walk down there. Let's go. Such a nice breeze is coming. So this is the pub which I showed you at night. This is the backyard. You have to enter from front end. Like that is the entrance in the front end, and this is the back of this Rumblewood Inn pub. So this is the entire Orton Hotel and Spa area. It is in full green forest and a very lovely forest. People often start morning walk, or they do jog, they run, they for so that they can take the fresh oxygen. It's very good for health, eyes. So trees have the natural healing power. Oh God, you touch them, you feel them, they also understand. My friends will laugh when I talk like this. They will say, why don't you become like a monk, lady monk? How to say to them, I am already a monk. This is event and wedding parking. I think for many event it is used. So this is the pine forest, and as you know, these are the pine fruit. It never ages, and many people use it for home decor. Hotels use this for their own decor. So I will just roam around for some time in this huge forest area, and then my next itinerary would be St. Boris, which is the market area here, and After that I will go other one Indian store to check out what are the spices, vegetables are there. So that's my itinerary for today. And evening I will have some evening snacks at rail station, and then I will go back to Darlington, my very own city. So see you one after another. Once I'm in Sainsbury, we will again talk. The greenery, and I just took off my shoes and then I started walking, barefoot. So there is a saying, if you walk in the grass, barefoot, nature will take it out, all your sadness, all your stress, everything nature take it away. So always try, at least 2 weeks, go to a place where a lot of this kind of grasses are there, and just take off your shoes for 1 minute and then try to walk on this beautiful wet grasses. It takes away all your stress, your all issues are dissolved here, dissipated here, and you return back to the busy city life fully refreshed and charged. I love you, Orton. I really like the place. Beautiful. Whenever I will feel, overloaded, I will come to this place and shed all my stress here. Mother Nature will soak it all. This is Orton's pool, swimming pool, and it's very beautiful. A lot of weddings happen here. Wedding stories, greetings cards, date. Save the date. That way people, keep the date, keep the memories. Many pictures of weddings are here. So, lot of wedding took place here. This one is the path of Hartley restaurant and the breakfast area, which I already showed you. Now I have to go back to my room, and I will go back to my next itinerary, which is Sainsbury's, and as well as the Indian store. So that both of them I will cover today, and then I will head back to Darlington. So this is the entrance of my room, which is very beautiful. It is in the backyard of Orton. So I'm going back to my room. Now I will proceed towards the So I'm at Sainsbury's at Oxney Road. So I will shop some grocery and vegetables here. So this is the big Sainsbury's in Peterborough, where everybody come and take their required vegetables, meat, juices, groceries, flowers, everything. It is the hub. So this is inside Sainsbury's Oxney Road. So loads of groceries, vegetables, fruits are there. I'm gonna check out it. I will buy some vegetable, fruit, and some flowers, and then I will go to my next destination, which is an Indian store. So this is entire Sainsbury's Oxley Road. I have taken some vegetable and fruits. Now I'm heading towards checking out. So this is the billing area, if you can see. So after my billing is done, I will head towards Indian store. Beautiful flowers in Sainsbury's. I want to buy some flowers, but again I have to carry all those to Darlington. So better I will buy some flowers from Darlington itself. Otherwise I have to carry all the way along. Anyways, I had my groceries. I just shop my groceries.
Mr. Lover Lover, I'm Mr. Lover Lover, Mr. Lover Lover.
This is the Starbucks inside Sainsbury's, which is a beautiful ambience, and you can shop your groceries and then you can relax and have your chai, coffee, and some quick bite. Tomato panini. So this is tomato panini and a good hot coffee. So tomato panini, I'm opening it. So it has tomato, basil, cheese, and that's all. So after having this, I will go back to Darlington rail station to be back in